What's up, guys? So today I did not enter any trades. I played it safe and just followed the market and watched it carefully. I saw a few good setups that I missed the entry for, and so I just gave up on them. But overall, it was a pretty nice day in the market. I know DRYS moved some at the open. Um, I know AGLE was halted 3 or 4 times. It went up quite a bit, and then it got halted 2 or 3 times on the way up, and then it dropped drastically and was halted on the way down as well. What I really wanted to talk about in this video, I've had a few people ask me about the VWAP, the volume weighted average price. And now basically what that means is it's the average price of a stock with volume added into the equation. So because of that, it's a more true indicator or study line than, say, a 200 EMA or a 90 EMA or a moving average in general. In my opinion, I think the VWAP is a more accurate, more true indicator in the market. Now, if you think about it, the average price of a stock can be manipulated by a few traders. So say a few traders can bring up the price of the stock, but it's not the most accurate and the most true price of the stock because volume isn't added into the equation. And so that's why the VWAP is very valuable. Now, I want to talk to you about one of my favorite setups. It has a pretty decent accuracy with trading. And for instance, I want to go over this one trade right here, this one setup right here on SPU. Now, if you look here, it's called the VWAP reversal. So basically, when a stock is heading down like SPU did right here, so it headed down, it went down from 860 and it went all the way down to 750 mark. Okay, then it does a red to green move, so it's red here, and then all of a sudden it reverses and starts to head up. Okay. Now, people need to be careful with this, and this is why this setup makes perfect sense, is because a lot of time people dip buy. So when it goes down, people dip buy. They dip buy right here, hoping for it just to be a dip and for it to continue shooting back down in this direction. Now, that can backfire on a lot of people because, as you see here, it continued to rise all the way up another dollar, which can blow up, small accounts in trading. Now this pattern right here is the VWAP reversal, like I said. So you'll see it go all the way down and then it pulls a red to green move. And it breaks this VWAP right here, the volume weighted average price line, at around 770. Okay, 760, 770. Now, as you can see, once it breaks this VWAP line right here on a reversal, on a pure reversal, it's heading down, no green candles anywhere here, no green, and then all of a sudden it reverses very quickly and breaks this VWAP right here. That is a huge indicator to get in the trade going long. They say when it breaks the VWAP on a strong reversal, it has a 90% chance of continuing in that direction. Now, I can't say for certain if that percentage or statistics are correct, but I can say that each time I have seen this setup, each time that I have seen it break the VWAP on a strong reversal, it usually heads in that direction. I rarely see it do anything different, and as you know, as traders, anything that has that good of odds in trading is a great profitable setup. Okay, so it did this twice actually, so you can see it here. Here's another strong green candle moving up from about $8 all the way to 860. So a big 60-cent move. Actually, it went all the way up here to about 885, 890. And so that's a big move. It was a little choppy here, but as you can see here, once it starts to head down, reversing this green candle, so green to red, and it breaks this VWAP right here at about 830, it shoots down drastically. You can go watch some of my previous videos, and I have traded VWAP reversals. Specifically, my CARA trade is a pretty nice VWAP reversal. And now, like I said, I can't say it's going to work 100% of the time, fellas. I can't. But I can say that each time I have seen this trade in the market, it has almost always done that exact thing, continuing in that direction once it breaks the VWAP. And so, like I said, I just wanted to let everybody know this has been a super valuable trade for me in my small account. This morning I missed this SPU trade. Both times I saw it. I noticed it did the VWAP reversal. I was paying attention to something else, but I noticed it right around 8:30 or 8:40, and now it did go up here to about 8:60, and then it did do another, breakout here to about 8:90. But I just didn't want to risk it at that point. I have to be really conservative with my small account, and so I played it safe and just didn't enter the market today. But yeah, I just wanted to let everybody know about that pattern. It's a pretty profitable pattern, and it works a good bit of the time. As traders, you kind of have to weed through all the advice you get online. A lot of people will just give you advice and give you patterns to follow, and they never work 100% of the time. But sometimes those patterns are just not, um, they just don't work. And a good bit of the time they don't work. This has been one of the only trades that I've seen that works a huge amount of the time. So when it breaks the VWAP on a strong reversal, you have pretty good odds that it's going to continue to go in that direction. So anyways, I just wanted to let all my viewers informed on that trade, let them know that trade, so hopefully they can make some money using a VWAP reversal. If you want to continue following me on my trading journey, make sure to like and subscribe, and I appreciate you watching this video.